The global materials informatics market is set to achieve significant growth, projected to reach a revenue of $1,313.4 million by 2032, with a compound annual growth rate (CAGR) of 26.9% from 2024 to 2032. This rapid expansion reflects the increasing demand for innovative materials and advanced manufacturing techniques across various industries. In 2023, North America accounted for approximately $57.6 million of the materials informatics market value, showcasing its role as a key player in the sector. The Asia-Pacific region is anticipated to outpace other areas, with a CAGR exceeding 28% during the forecast period, driven by rising investments in research and development and the growing adoption of cutting-edge technologies. Within the materials landscape, the inorganic subsegment was particularly noteworthy, generating around 40% of the market share in 2023, indicating a strong interest in inorganic materials for various applications. Additionally, the deep tensor technique emerged as a prominent player in the market, occupying approximately 44% of the share in 2023. This method's effectiveness in model and simulation-based design enhances its appeal. Overall, the increasing integration of these advanced techniques with manufacturing processes is a key trend propelling the materials informatics market forward, driving innovation and efficiency in material development. Please refer the link in bio for more information about materials informatics market.